What's the meaning of cobra? Cobra. Cobra.
Cobra. Cobra. Cobra is a type of venomous snake that belongs to the family Elapidae. It is known for its iconic hood, which it expands when threatened. The snake can be found in various regions of Asia and Africa, and some species are considered to be highly dangerous to humans. In popular culture, cobras are often associated with their ability to mesmerize with their gaze, as well as their presence in traditional snake charming performances. Overall, cobra is a powerful and fascinating creature that has captured the imaginations of people for generations.